Okay, so now we can see Teddy's had quite a few more games and his XP's gone up considerably. And what we'll look for here is the indicator that shows us we've got something new opened up in the shop. This is where we keep our levels in Sumtech. As you can notice, we've already been through level 2 and we're now on to level 3, which is where we want to see the bingo operator or feature in operation. So let's buy this and select it. Okay, so now level 3 is active. If we go back to the main menu, you'll notice we have the level 3 ready. Here's our droids for our new level. So it's quite big scores to try and beat here. This is why the bingo operator is involved, because it gives you that extra boost to get you to those high scores. So let's go into level 3. So to quickly explain how the this bingo feature works and how it operates, what we need to first think about is matching up the numbers we use in our sums to hit these numbers on the grid. So if I just for instance take 3 times 10 equals 30, good score, we'll obviously see the 3 and the 10 now light up, and there they go. So if we get some more numbers off that board, which is 8 plus 4 equals, I have to work hard here, for 12. Let's find something a little simpler. 7 plus 3 gives us 10, and just missed those. So I have him and him. Okay, and now you'll notice the other 3 will light up again, and the 10 again will go up to the next stage. So if we go 5 plus 5 equals -1 for the 10. We'll also see again the 10 now goes up to the top rank, which is green. So if we had all greens in there, you'd get 3 times the value of the whole score, which is a really big multiplier. So we're looking to get everything green if we can. So let's do a few more. 12, 13, 14. One of those times, one hiding over there. No, that was a divide. Okay, we better quickly change our sum here. Let's go for 15 and then boost that little fellow. Okay, so that catches any of the bingo numbers, just the 8, but you can see the colour difference there. So every time you catch a new number in the number grid, it's going to colour up, and by the time you get to the end, you'll get a multiplier of a given amount of lines that you've achieved. So it's an extra part of the game which allows you to get higher scores, basically. So let's just try and see if we can get a line before we finish. A 2 and a 3, that should be pretty easy, although the numbers are getting considerably higher as it's level 3. So 2 plus 3, 2 plus 1 we want there then. And now we should get the 2 and the 3 light up. So we just need an 8 and a 2 now. So let's go 7, 8, minus 2. I mean, in the real game, of course, as in if you were in a high scoring game, you'd be looking to do a little better than I am here at the moment. But you should see the point by the time the timer clicks down. Okay, see if we can get one more 8 and 2 in there. 7 with a 3, minus, plus there, if we can pick him out, and him, whoop, just in time. And now we just need the 10, which I know we've got one up there. So 5 seconds left, we should get the 8 and 2, which will make it green and give us a nice little line. So when you notice the clock times out, we get a little bonus, throws itself out at the bottom there, and a little bonus goes into the score. So for one line you're not going to get a huge bonus, but yes, you get 3 or 4 lines and you're going to seriously bump your score up. Okay, so that's a little bit of an idea of how the bingo grid works along with the normal numbering system. Obviously, without giving too much away, you want to try and get a few of these numbers, especially the middle one, which is always the biggest number. Try and get him up there, and then you should always have a chance to light these up quite a lot. The middle number also is going to give you more chance of getting lines, of course. So yeah, that's pretty much the bingo feature explained.